Okay, so you guys have just learned about converting mixed numbers and improper fractions, but I'm just going to illustrate it here for you so you can kind of see it a little bit better. So the first one we're going to look at is converting the mixed numbers to improper. So here is my mixed number. Okay, and what we just learned is that you're going to take the denominator here of 5 and multiply it times 3, which gives us 15. 15 plus 2 is going to give us 17 over 5. So we keep our denominator the same there, and then we'll leave that as our improper. Okay, remember the improper fraction is the one where the numerator is bigger than our denominator. So again, here I have 2 and 1/6. I'm going to multiply the denominator times the whole number out in front. So 6 times 2 gives me 12, plus 1 more gives me 13 over 6. Okay, so that just kind of showed you those steps illustrated a little bit better. Then below we have our impropers to mixed numbers, and sort of like that example showed you, you can really just see how many times this denominator goes into this numerator. But I know that is a little bit tricky for some people, so this first one I'll show you that way. We know 2 can fit into 33 16 times, which gives us 32. So that means we would have one thing left over. And again, our denominator just stays the same. Okay, so if you're able to see it that way, that is a little bit easier. But if not, you can always take this numerator and divide it by the denominator like it showed also in the example. So if I do that here really quick, I'm going to take 26 divided by 3. And I know that goes in 8 times, which gives me 24. And when I subtract that, I'm going to have 2 things left over. So here is where I can get my mixed number pieces. This number 8 out in front, this is our whole number. So I'm going to have 8. And this stuff that's left over, that will make my numerator. So I'll have 2. And then my divisor out in front here, this 3, that will be my denominator. So again, if you look, the denominator is still staying the same. Okay, hopefully after seeing those picture examples and then seeing these worked out examples, you have a better idea of how to switch those things around.